Okay, so there's a ton of talk about AI. And let's be honest, the big fear is that it's coming for our jobs. But here's the thing, AI isn't actually replacing people.
Nope. What it's really doing is replacing the machine work that's already inside your job. All those robotic, repetitive parts. Just think about your own job for a second. It's basically a mix of two things, right? On one side, you've got your human judgment. That's the creative, strategic stuff. And on the other side, all those repetitive tasks. So when a tool like AI gets dropped into that workflow, what do you think it goes for? Yeah, it goes for the easy stuff. AI eats those repetitive tasks first.
We're talking about all the really tedious things. The endless copy-pasting, trying to reconcile data, chasing down approvals, that kind of thing.
But here's the most important part, really. Those tasks, they were never the parts that made you valuable in the first place.
Where your real value has always been is in your human skills. We're talking about your judgment, the unique context you have from all your experience, and of course, your ability to make the smart decisions.
So what does this all mean? Well, the people who are going to thrive in this AI era are the ones who can make a mental shift. They'll move away from being just a task doer, simply turning the cranks. And they'll evolve into becoming a decision leader. In this new setup, you can just think of AI as the tool that gets rid of all the noise, all that busy work for you.
It basically handles the how, and that frees you up to focus on the much more important what and why. At the end of the day, AI removes the noise so that you can lead the outcome.